If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And today it's another vlog with my husband. So we got a guest today, and so what we gonna do today, babe?
Old school sweets.
So we're going to review or give some feedback or taste the old school sweets here in UK. Since I'm from Philippines, so I haven't tasted most of the sweets here, the old school sweets. So let's start.
Well, go on then, pick one.
So I'm gonna pick this one.
Which is a midget gum.
This is a midget gum.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. I'll taste first.
Maynard's.
Smell first. It smells like sour. Oh. Texture is like gum, like a bit hard of gummy bear. I think this is apple or melon flavor.
I don't know, possibly lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a chili bean or like gummy bear,
yeah, like
something like that. I'm gonna rate that one. I think I'll give it 3.
Out of 10?
3 out of 10.
Right, go on then.
3.
Next one.
Next one. Let me finish this one first. This is
Coca-Cola bottles.
this one.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna smell first. No smell at all. It's sour. I'm crying. It tastes like 7-Up, like Coca-Cola 7-Up.
Meant to be Coca-Cola, so yeah.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna texture first. It's like gummy bear with coated
Sour sugar.
yeah, sour sugar. I'm gonna give that 4.5.
That's quite surprising.
Yeah.
You don't like sour.
Yeah, I don't like sour, but
Right.
it's nice.
Go on then, right.
Next, we've got, this is color, what's this?
A pear drop.
Where is that? I've seen this one, but yeah, I want to taste this one bit. This one, a pear drop. Is this very old school?
Yeah, very, very old school.
No taste?
No taste, no smell.
Yeah, smell. Oh, what is there? It's like a candy only. It's like a candy. It's like a sweet.
That's what we're doing
Yeah.
with sweets.
Coated with sugar. It's nice. I like this one. I remember my old school sweets in Philippines. This is exactly the same. Alright. I give it 6 because I like it.
Okay.
Next. Oh my god. Oh, I saw this one.
The refresher bar.
This one. Is it sour?
It's got sherbet in it.
Alright. This is it's like bubble gum.
It's not.
It's like
It's chewy.
paste. It's a Fruitos.
Bite it.
Oh my god, it's hard. If you have denture with this, when
Come on.
it's like lemon, very lemon.
Yeah. With sherbet in the
It's
middle.
not too sour. That's quite hard. Ouch.
It's chewy.
Yeah. I give it Two only. It's not my thing. Next, ooh, Milky Bar. Is this very old? Like what year?
Milky Bars the Milky Bar advert was around when I was this big.
Oh,
It's well over 40 years old.
40 years old. So we have to this one. How many years this one?
Midget gums and stuff like that have been around for ages as well, at least 30 odd years.
30.
Yeah, the Coca-Cola bottles were
So you're
around.
10 years old that time, and when?
At least that's what I'm saying, they've been around from before then as well.
So
the Coca-Cola bottles were around when I was a kid at lower school, definitely.
Really?
Yeah.
What's your favorite?
Pear drops were around long before me.
Okay, what's your favorite sweets?
What there?
Yeah.
The sour Coca-Cola bottles. You know I like sour stuff.
Oh yeah. And how about this one? I think it seems like this is old. Oh, Milky Bar.
Milky Bar was originally established in 1936.
1936.
86 years ago.
Oh. And how about, yes, Wayne, that's good, Wayne. You're gonna research for us, Wayne, please.
Right.
How about the midget
gums?
Midget gums.
Well, they're basically wine gums, but
yeah.
Wine gums have been around forever as well.
Ah, okay.
It's a smaller version of it. Right, go on.
All right. Milky Bar. Let's go to Milky Bar. I still know that I am not really fan of white chocolate.
I know, but
not really
fun. Put it in there because it's a proper old chocolate.
Oh, it's like really milk. It's like white. It's like milk with pure white chocolate. It's a bit strong for me. Sorry. This one, Milky Bar. So, when is that?
1880.
Which one that?
Wine gums and midget gums.
This one, 1880.
Over 100 years old.
Wow.
Well over 100 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, but it's still,
But obviously
still here.
those ones aren't 100 years old because otherwise they'd have gone off.
But I'm happy that I taste your,
Right. Finger of fudge.
Finger fudge. Oh, this one, I've already tasted this one. This is one of my favorite in, what do you call that? Finger fudge. So right here, this is the coated with chocolate and caramel.
Fudge, strangely enough.
Fudge.
Yes, that's what it's called. Finger of fudge.
I like it. Fresh chocolate. I can't eat it all. Oh, hold on. I forgot to give this one.
That's right.
I'm gonna rate this one, I think 2.5. Not bad.
Okay.
But this one I'm gonna rate 10. 10.
Right, now
10.
you've got to try
Mm-hmm.
Sherbet Fountain. Now these are properly old. Now, I'm just opening it up.
Okay. So this is the Sherbet Fountain. So it's like that. It seems like not
They never used to be.
sweet.
They never used to be like that. They used to be paper around the outside, and you used to have a paper wrapping. Watch it. It's got sherbet inside it.
What sherbet?
Well, take the licorice out because that's licorice.
Oh, I'm not licorice fan.
Just listen to me. Take the licorice out.
All
lick
right.
the licorice. So you wet it and then put it back into the sherbet. Now put it back into the sherbet. Now, there you go. Now taste the sherbet.
Why is like that?
Because that's what it's. Sherbet Fountain.
Why is like this? Why I'm crying. No, I'm gonna give it that one. Not 0. Okay, I'm gonna give like point.
Half.
This is the horrible one.
That's the probably
How
one
many
of the
years
oldest,
this one?
I don't know. A Sherbet Fountain was around when I was 0, babe.
Wow.
Before I was born, definitely.
So this is the oldest one. This is 100 years. The what we call this midget
Gums or
midget
wine
gums,
originally,
wine gums.
Maynards.
Really? That's really...
They know have been around for a long time.
It's very, you know, like, fascinating to know the history of your... And next time...
Unfortunately, I couldn't get any more of the other ones, but there's lots of different
Yeah,
things.
we're gonna make, like, parts of this, hopefully. We'll
There's
find...
things like you probably can't even get any more, like cola roller balls and cola cubes, and you got to go to an old school sweet shop for all of that lot.
Yeah, like collection. I don't like this one. I don't like licorice, and I don't like that.
The sherbet.
Yeah, this is the lowest one. This is the highest
The
one.
funniest thing, if you get Coca-Cola and you put sherbet into it.
What happened? Really? It's like Mentos.
Yeah, sort of, but slightly more.
What is made of the sherbet? It's really strong. It's like acid.
Right, so favourite.
Favorite one. The fudge.
Least favourite.
Yes, this one, sherbet. Sorry, it's like...
It's fine. I'm not.
I know some old school love this, and they gonna, you know, like, don't bash me. That's my taste.
Well, we'll do another one at another day.
Yeah. So when is how many research?
What?
All right, everyone. So that's it, my vlog for today, and please subscribe, support us, and thank you so much for the guesting. And yes, thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh my god.
I like licorice.
This one.
Right.
You can have that all, except this one. Except this. Wayne, you can have that, Wayne.
They're my favourites. What, Coke-Balls?
Oh
yeah.
This is my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Go.
That was really good.
Yay, we're eating now. You like this one? I like this one.
I have the pear tops then as well.
You can have that one. It's alright, Wayne, only this. Now sherbet and Coca-Cola.
Oh, we've got Nescafe in there.
Go away. I got open there.
Yeah, but we want this one because it's
alright.
brand new and not been opened, so it's...
Wow, not so much on. What happened? Why it's not...
It is. Look how fizzy it is. Look at the head on it, darling.
Hala. Hala.
It doesn't go mad like Mentos and throw everything up, but look. It's still...
Yeah, but you can drink that one now.
Yeah, look.